All right, let's take a start with Ielts speaking part one. The topic is shopping, and you got to answer. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I'm a keen lover of shopping, so I do shopping twice a month. And after that, whenever a special events come, like my cousin wedding or a college authority arrange a party, so I do
College
shopping,
authority arranges a party.
arranges the party.
Even then, I go for shopping.
Shopping,
So, to answer your question, I often go for shopping.
shopping.
Do you compare prices when you shop?
Absolutely. Whenever I go to shopping mall,
I go to
the
the shopping mall. Yeah.
shopping mall, I visit
Mall.
different mall. I visit different shops and compare the prices and manage myself how much I will pay according to my pocket money.
Okay. Is it difficult for you to make choices when you shop?
Yes, it's difficult for everyone to choose
To
because
choose?
the sellers provide you different
Sellers.
sellers provide you different brands. Then you have to pick up one of them. So it's a great difficult for me
Yeah,
also.
it's very challenging. Now, don't
Yeah.
choose the word difficult again. It's very challenging for me to decide
To
what to
decide
buy.
what to buy and what should I pay.
Okay, that's fine. Use a variety of words, connect your ideas, you will get good bench score. Now, let's go on. Do you prefer to read newspapers or magazines?
Yeah, I prefer to read the newspaper because I love to know about the current affairs. I love to read about the current affairs. That's why I love to read the newspapers every morning. I often to read the
I
newspapers.
often read the newspaper, not I often to read. I often read the newspaper, okay? All right, let's go on. Uh, okay, what is your favorite newspaper and why?
Yeah, my favorite newspaper is a Dawn newspaper because in this newspaper I can explore the current affairs in the easiest way. I can access every matter, every current affair in this newspaper. So that's why I love
That's
to
why I
read the
love to
current
read
affairs.
Dawn, and it's my favorite newspaper. Very good. Let's go on. Do you prefer to read the news online or printed newspaper?
Yeah, I love to read the on the printed media because I can read easily. I can understand easily. But nowadays, I prefer to read the online because I can access anywhere, whatever I am, whenever I am. So I can read easily where I am.
Okay. All right. Overall, it's fine. Just try to focus your sentence structure and try to add more sentences. And whenever you add sentences, use some tags like moreover, additionally, furthermore, finally. These things will improve your bench score. Thank you. All the
Thank you.
best.
Thank you so much.